Hi, I'm John Johnson and I'm back, and this is for lesson 13. Lesson 13, it talks about timing at work and when do you do things at certain times when you're at work. That's the article, so there we go. And the grammar point are question structures. So when you use who, what, when, where, why, or how. Now if you need to talk to me, just click on the button below and I'm there, I'm available live if you have any questions. And remember, if I ask you to repeat in the lesson, repeat for me. Good luck, and I will see you in the next lesson.